Hello guys, this is Everything Minecraft Guy back again here. Today we are going to film the siren test. If you can see in the middle of the screen, there's the siren hidden behind the roof. It's gonna be like friggin' loud. And that was just me turning this light off because it was like turned on like this when I was in the middle position, so let's just go and film it. The reason why I'm filming at this location is because it's a request by our classmates. So the good thing about this is that the siren is like visible. The siren is visible from here. The good thing is I'm in the car, so it won't be that loud. I'm not gonna wind up the window. Oh, I'm not gonna wind down the window because then it'll be like ear-piercingly loud or like an ear rape or so. So maybe you'll need to wait like for like a few minutes or so before the siren will finally go off at 12:05. If you see a sudden like this means the siren has suddenly gone off and surprised me. If it goes off and there's no sudden jerk, then it hasn't surprised me. So yeah, just wait. If you have the patience to. I did experience a siren test like this on 15th February when I was in like primary 2 or 3. But I was in my school when the sirens went off and it wasn't that loud at my school, so the siren test wasn't scary back then, but now it's like a bit frightening because it just suddenly starts without warning. And I'm very close to it, and even with the window wound down or wound up, I don't want it to scare me. It's like deafeningly silent right now, apart from my talking and perhaps a few noises. I've already cleared out video space, so there's no need to worry for like a 10-minute wait. In the video description, I'll tell you when the siren goes off so that you won't have to wait out the wait. Holy hell.
If you want to come out this side now, understand?
Okay. Some more air.
It's not going to be that loud. Trust me.
Just close the door. And I'll open it if I need. Dada!
Yes?
Just close the door.
Oh.
That was the car shaking when they closed the door. It's like a 3-minute. It's already like 3 minutes. What's it? Holy shit! Yep, that wasn't the echo, but there was a few other sirens. The other sirens can be heard is a Hormann ECN 2400 at the Victoria School near my house, and another ECN 2400 near the school near my school, aka the Global Indian International School. Haha. So now they'll be like broadcasting that message on the radio.
It's finished, right?
Yeah, but Dada, let's turn on the radio and see what they're saying.
Turn on the radio.
Yeah.